You ever heard of quantum jumping? Last video I was talking about timeline shifts and Mandela effect. There's something similar with this. You can quantum jump in your sleep, in your dreams, shift to a different reality to get everything that you want right now instantly, instead of having to wait years, weeks, months, 100 years, shit like that. There's different ways to do it. You can listen to subliminals saying what you want. You can do things to get into a new reality. So they say the quantum jump, you gotta do things out of the ordinary. So say you want money, hang around people who are rich, go around people who are rich, go to wealthy environments where rich people are at. When I think about that, I think about going to like a bank, going to a lawyer office area like that, a bank, a rich neighborhood, nice neighborhood with nice houses that you like, that, you know, people that are wealthy with money. A car dealership. What else? Getting in a nice car with someone, like just hang around someone who's getting money. And you'll eventually end up like that too, rich, wealthy with money. You want a nice house? Like I said, go to a neighborhood, a nice neighborhood. Nice ass neighborhood with big houses, mansions, shit like that. Shit that you don't see every day. Watch videos on YouTube of luxury houses, of cars, nice cars that you want. Watch videos on the car that you want. Learn more about that car. See that you already got it. Tell yourself every day, this car is mine. I own it right now. I have the keys for the car right here. Yes, you gotta act that shit out. That's really how you quantum leap in life. Act it out. Everything that you manifest and say you have it right now in your possession. That's real shit, and it works. It works every time. Never fails, as long as you trust in yourself and never doubt yourself. If you're going back and forth one day, yes, I got it right now, and then you're going, no, I don't got it. It ain't gonna work out for you. It's not gonna work out because you constantly doubt yourself. You're slowing down the process of it happening. Imagine you making a sandwich, and every time you make a sandwich, you drop it on the ground. You drop it on the ground right when you're about to be done. You have to pick it up, start over again. Drop it on the ground, pick it up, start over again. Think about it like that. That same thing when you come to manifesting too. You manifesting stuff and you doubt yourself, you slow yourself, you doubt yourself, you slow yourself down. Same shit gonna happen. You're basically starting the process over, or you're slowing it down, possibly. When I get negative thoughts in my mind, I attack the negative thoughts like how Eddie Brock talked to Ben on. I made a video on that a couple months back. Like, yo, stop. I get a negative thought about something, stop. That's not true. That's not true. And I correct the thought. Because truly, those negative thoughts are not you. Remember, spirits exist. It's a spirit talking. It ain't you. And the spirit ain't the devil, just so you know. Unless you're your lower self, yes, it's the devil. But yeah, talk to them. Talk to the spirits. Nah, that's not true. Get out of my head. Stop talking to me that negative shit. That ain't me. That ain't me. I got my shit right now. I got it right now. I got my car. Got my house. Got everything I want. Got the best friends I want. Best relationship. I got everything I want right now. Like, I have everything right now. I'm happy with my life. I'm satisfied with my life. I got everything. I got a job I want. I got everything. I always get offered to do new things, fun things. I always get invited to go hang out with people. I always do. Like, whatever you want, say that shit. Claim it. Now. We're not waiting until tomorrow. We're not waiting until next week. We're not waiting till no. Can't even talk. That's how bad I don't like saying waiting. We don't wait for shit. We get that shit right now. For real though. We get that shit right now and we got it right now. I don't ever stall. I don't ever slow myself down. I don't ever doubt myself. I don't do none of that shit. That's the old me though. This new me don't do that shit no more. Quantum leaping, this new timeline me never does that. I never talk low of myself, never speak low of myself. I never doubt myself. I know everything I say is the fucking truth, because I'm the truth, nigga. I'm the truth. I'm the shit. And I forever be the truth in this shit. Run it up on everything I'm doing. On everything that I'm doing. I'm telling y'all, never a doubt. I don't care who say shit. Never a doubt. I know what I'm doing. Trust me. I love people that come with encouragement and advice though. I love people like that. But the negative people that just doubt you, slow you down, knock you off your path, nah. No. Bye-bye. Can't deal with those people. Can't. can't. It's only gonna slow you down, make you feel some kind of way. Yeah, do y'all research on quantum leaping though and timeline shifts. Very interesting. Once you learn about it, it'll help you manifest more, and it'll help you just be more happy about yourself in general, just working on yourself, your self-concept, loving yourself more. You really can't get nothing in life unless you love yourself. If you don't love yourself first, you can't really attract nothing, because it's still an empty void in what you're trying to get in life. It's an empty void that can't be fixed. I was talking to someone last night. You can't attract love if you don't love yourself first. If you don't love yourself, working yourself first, you will never be able to attract love, because you don't love yourself. If you can't even love yourself, stand and look at yourself, how are you gonna love another? It's impossible. Once something go down in that relationship, something make you feel some kind of way, you're not gonna be balanced. You're gonna be off balance with that shit. You feel me? Work on yourself, love yourself, master yourself. Before anything, before you do anything in life, you have to master yourself. You have to work on yourself. I don't care who says what. You have to master yourself and work on yourself. You have to trust yourself. You got to be able to look yourself in the mirror, look yourself anywhere, and love yourself. Call yourself beautiful, amazing, wonderful, powerful, abundant, divine, aligned, healthy. Just talk positive to yourself. You can't talk positive to yourself for 10, 20 minutes every day. You need some self-reflection. You need some work. You can't attract shit if you don't love yourself. If you don't attract that frequency of love, you can't attract money. You notice that money is green, just like the heart chakra, right? Green. If you don't work on that heart chakra and master that heart chakra, you can't master money. You can't attract money. You can't. It don't work like that. You can't attract anything if you don't work on yourself and love yourself. I keep saying it's the truth. Quantum leap, timeline shifts, Mandela effect. Talk about that last video. It's interesting once you think about it. We're really timeline shift every day based on what you sleeping to, what you waking up to, how you feeling in that moment. If you doubting yourself, talking low on yourself, speaking high of yourself, we timeline shift every single day. Every day. Every second. Actually, every second, timeline shift somewhere else. But yeah, y'all, it's the video, man. It's the like button. I already know you enjoyed this video. I'm King of Days and Sean Mobile, all the good stuff. I'm out of it now, y'all. It's your brother Yahoo. Ashe. Check out my other videos. Peace.